Good morning, dear students. Now your first period start. It's your computer science period. In the last period, we have been started chapter 2, organizing your work. In continuation of this chapter, we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is folder. Now, what is a folder? A folder can be compared to a container or to a plastic folder. As we store our important paper documents in plastic folder, similarly, a folder may contain one or several files. Like a file, folder also has a name. A folder is not a file, but it can contain several files. Now, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about file, folders, and drivers. It allows us to manage and organize our file and folders. We can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. Now, how to open Windows Explorer? To open Windows Explorer, click on Start button, then All Program, then Accessories, and then Windows Explorer. We can also start or open from the Start button and then click Computer. The Windows Explorer will appear as shown. Here are some components of Windows Explorer. Now, viewing files and folders. To view the contents of any file or folder, simply double click on it. We can change the layout of files and folders using View button present on the toolbar. Now, how can we create a folder? For creating a new folder, follow these steps. First, start. Click on Start button, then Computer, and then select the drive, and then select the folder. By this step, we will specify the exact location where the folder is to be created. Number 2, click on the new folder, type the name of the folder to be created, and then enter. Copying a file or folder. How can we copy a file or folder? Copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To copy a file from one location to another, we can follow the steps. First step, click on Start button and then Computer option. Step 2, double click on D drive icon. Step 3, select file or folder you want to copy. Step 4, click on Organize button and select the copy option from the drop down menu. Step 5, choose the location where you want to place the copied file or folder. Then click on Organize button and select the Paste option. You will notice that a file or folder get copied to a new location. As we copying a file or folder, similarly we can move a file or folder. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from original location to new location. To move a file or folder from one location to another, we will follow the steps. Step 1, click on Start button and then Computer option. Step 2, double click on Drive D icon. Step 3, select file or folder you want to move. Step 4, click on Organize button and select the Cut option from the drop down menu. Step 5, choose the location where you want to place the cut file or folder. Then click on the Organize button and select the Paste option. Now you will notice that the file and folder gets copied to new location. All the students will be listened or watched this video carefully and try to understand the topics I discussed above. Thank you and have a nice day.